Knowing whether or not to replace your whole HVAC system or just an air conditioner or furnace can be one of the most important decisions you'll make in the next 20 years. In this video, we'll go over why you would and wouldn't want to replace both systems simultaneously. Hi, I'm Brian with Fire and Ice. Like all things, air conditioners and furnaces have a life expectancy. Whether yours has recently gone kaput or it's something you've been planning for a while, a question comes up. Should I replace both units simultaneously? The answer is that it all depends. In this video, we'll go over why you should and shouldn't replace both the air conditioner and the furnace simultaneously. And if you find today's content helpful, subscribe to our channel for weekly educational content. Let's get started and go over the reasons why replacing both the air conditioner and furnace at the same time makes sense. First, it can be more cost effective since you won't need to pay separate expenses for labor and permit fees. Additionally, many manufacturers and contractors offer incentives for purchasing complete systems. With an average air conditioner costing between $4,000 and $13,000 and furnace replacements costing between $3,000 and $8,000, it may make sense to do the whole system together. Another reason to replace both units simultaneously is that your HVAC equipment isn't sized correctly. It's essential to have HVAC systems sized appropriately for your home. Otherwise, you may experience higher utility bills, temperature swings, and potential premature breakdowns. The third reason is if you plan on upgrading your air conditioner. Air conditioners today come with various features with multiple stage or variable speed compressors and communicating technology. When replacing an older single-stage air conditioner with a model with more bells and whistles, a furnace with comparable features will be needed to get the most out of your new system. The fourth reason is when you want to maximize your comfort. New equipment with multiple stage or variable speed blowers paired together will help solve indoor comfort concerns such as uneven temperatures and hot and cold spots. It can also help lower utility bills. And if you opt for a system with communicating technology, you're taking your comfort to the next level. You will be able to keep the temperature inside your home within a half a degree all year long. The last reason to replace both units simultaneously is to have your warranties in sync. Most manufacturers honor a 10-year or greater warranty on new equipment with proper annual maintenance. Replacing both systems allows for less guesswork on which system is or isn't under warranty and gives you peace of mind knowing everything is protected should a repair be needed. Before we move on, if you're enjoying this video thus far, please like the video and leave a comment once you're done. We love to hear what you have to say and answer any questions you may have. And did you know we have even more resources on our website? Click the link here to visit our Learning Center for more in-depth information. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. There are a number of reasons why you'd want to wait to replace both systems. It could be money, remaining life expectancy, or plans to move shortly. The list goes on, but it's important to know what scenarios make the most sense not to replace both systems together. The first is when you replace your furnace. Your air conditioner needs your furnace to work, but your furnace doesn't need your air conditioner. So if you upgrade your furnace to, say, a variable speed system, your air conditioner will continue to work and, in all honesty, probably see a boost as well, since the furnace's variable speed blower can help deliver more consistent, even temperatures throughout your home. However, when the time does come to replace your air conditioner, you'll want to consider air conditioners compatible with the new furnace. Now, if you're planning on replacing just your air conditioner, you won't need to replace your furnace as long as your current one is compatible. However, keep in mind that if you plan to upgrade your furnace in the future, it'll need to be compatible with the air conditioner you're planning on installing now. Another reason to only replace one unit at a time is when the other units are newer or working fine. There's the old adage, if it's not broke, don't fix it. The important thing is that your current heating and cooling needs are being met, whether or not that's using existing equipment or new equipment. The last reason is simply you don't want to. The world is your oyster, and the decision is ultimately yours. Replacing both your air conditioner and your furnace simultaneously has its benefits, but sometimes those benefits don't align with your goals. I hope by now you have a better idea of which scenario is right for you. If you'd like more information, visit the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to making your day better.